Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the car icon on the Waze navigation app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Waze and select the hamburger icon up the top left. Go down and select the settings button. And then you want to go and select where it says map display, and then go where it says car icon. Go ahead and select that. And then you can select from any of these icons that are listed on this list here, basically. Pretty straightforward process, and then they will appear on the map. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.